you like school? Do you wear a school uniform? What time does your school start?
In the UK, children wear a uniform. At this primary school, the uniform is a blue jumper, a white shirt, and a grey skirt or grey trousers.
What are they studying? These children often do maths, but they do other subjects too, like history, geography, science, and ICT.
In the UK, school usually starts at 9 o'clock and it finishes at 3 o'clock, 3:15 or 3:30.
Some schools have an outdoor lesson once a week. This is called forest school. These children are looking at a leaf with their teacher.
In the US, children don't go to primary school, they go to elementary school. School usually starts at 8:30 and finishes at 3 o'clock or 3:30.
In the US, school children don't always wear a uniform, but most children go to school in a yellow school bus, like this one.
What's your school like?